Hello students, myself Ari Paswar from MGSS Darbhanga. My dear students, today I want to teach you chapter 11, the United Nations. Today all countries are connected to one another in different ways. Thus, we live in a global world. In such a world, each country depends on another for various things such as food, raw materials for industries, technology, and so on. It is therefore important for countries to maintain good relations with each other. The world wars. The destruction caused by the First and Second World Wars in the first half of the 20th century made the leaders of the world realize that a global organization was needed to settle problematic issues of the world peacefully. A global platform was also required to address common issues that concerned people across the world. The United Nations is a global organization which has 193 nations as its members. Birth of the United Nations. The declaration by the United Nations was signed on 1st January 1942 by representatives of 26 nations. The name United Nations was officially used for the first time in this declaration on 26 June 1945. The United Nations Charter was signed by 50 countries in San Francisco, the United States of America. These countries become the original members along with Poland, which signed the charter later, taking the member count to 51. The United Nations organization officially came into existence on 24th October 1945. Every year, October 24 is observed as United Nations Day. The headquarters of the United Nations is in New York. Objective of the UN. It means achievements of the UN. The main objectives of the UN are maintenance of international peace and security. Second, promotion of friendly relations among member nations. Third, achievements of international cooperation in solving problems. And fourth, promotion of human rights and fundamental freedoms. That's all.